How to view stories on Instagram anonymously. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So if you wanted to view others' stories on Instagram without them knowing, what you need to do first is you need to memorize that person's name or username. And once you do that, keep it in mind, go ahead and open up any browser you have and search for Instagram Story Viewer. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of results here, but they basically all work the same way and do the same job. So go ahead and open any one of them. And what you need to do right here is you need to enter the username of that person that you want to view their stories anonymously. And this website will now show you that person's or account stories without you having to go and view them on Instagram. So that was it for this video. That's how you can view someone's Instagram story without them knowing. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.